Welcome to this video on SQL Mastery. We will explore the key differences between join and union and how each is used to combine data effectively. In database design, data acts like building blocks. Join combines tables side by side to add columns, similar to using a lookup function. Union, however, stacks tables top to bottom to add more rows, like copying one list below another. They serve very different architectural needs. Data normalization splits information into multiple tables to reduce repetition. For instance, you might have a students table and a classes table. To get a complete view, you need to bridge the gap between these related tables. The join operation acts as a hinge, matching related data from two tables based on a common key. This allows you to combine columns horizontally to create more informative data sets. There are four main types of joins. Each handles missing data differently. Inner join returns only matched rows, while left, right, and full outer joins include unmatched rows, filling gaps with null values. The 80/20 rule suggests using inner join for most operations. Use left join when you need to preserve your primary table's records, even if they don't have a matching counterpart in the secondary table. Sometimes, data is scattered across similar tables, and you just want a single list. This is where join fails, and the need for stacking tables becomes clear. To use union, tables must be vertically compatible. This means they must have the same number of columns, and the data types in those columns must match up correctly. Choosing between union and union ALL involves a performance trade-off. Union automatically removes duplicates, which requires extra processing. If you don't need deduplication, union ALL is much faster. Here's a comparison matrix. Remember, join is for adding columns and linking related data, while union is for stacking rows from similar tables. Mixing them up can lead to errors. Advanced data architecture includes chaining multiple joins to build complex data sets, or using a self-join to reveal internal hierarchies within a single table. Troubleshooting common pitfalls. If you have a messy output, you may have used the wrong operator. If you encounter errors, check your column counts or verify that you've used the correct join type. Follow this flowchart to decide. Ask yourself if you want to add columns or simply stack tables. If you are linking records by a common ID, use join. Otherwise, use union. Let's test your mental model. Consider these scenarios. Merging order reports requires a union, while linking customers to their orders requires a join. Practice identifying these structures in your daily work. Finally, here is your cheat sheet. When in doubt, draw your tables. If you are linking rows horizontally, draw an arrow for a join. If you are stacking them, use a vertical arrow for a union.